Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Basecamp. Now, I know what you're thinking. Basecamp? Isn't that just another project management tool? Well, yes and no. It's definitely a project management tool, but it's also so much more. It's a platform that helps you and your team get organized, stay on track, and collaborate effectively. So why do people use Basecamp? Well, there are a lot of reasons, but I'm going to focus on 3 of the most important ones. Basecamp is simple and easy to use. One of the biggest reasons people choose Basecamp is because it's so easy to use. There's no complicated setup or training required. You can just jump right in and start using it right away. Basecamp is powerful and feature-rich. While Basecamp is simple to use, it's also packed with powerful features. You can create to-do lists, track your progress, collaborate with your team, and much more. Basecamp is affordable. Basecamp is a great value for the money. It offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your needs, and there's even a free trial available. So, if you're looking for a project management tool that's simple, powerful, and affordable, then Basecamp is a great option. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of the people who use Basecamp every day. Basecamp has helped me to stay organized and on track with my projects. It's easy to use and it has all the features I need. I love that Basecamp is so collaborative. It's easy to share files, communicate with my team, and track our progress. Basecamp is a great value for the money. It's affordable and it has all the features I need. So there you have it. Basecamp is a powerful and versatile project management tool that can help you and your team get more done. If you're looking for a way to improve your productivity, I highly recommend giving Basecamp a try. And with that said, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep on learning and keep on growing.